here Szymon Bochniak from Microsoft 365 at work. Organize Microsoft Teams Champions program using free application from Microsoft. Adoption of Microsoft Teams is one of the most crucial aspects of rollouting of Office 365 in the organization. I want to encourage you to deploy Microsoft Champions program for Microsoft Teams. This is free application that you can deploy on Microsoft Teams and manage the champions across the organization that will help you to engage your local users in using Microsoft Teams on the daily basis. If you would like to learn more about Office 365, please subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, left your thumbs up. Now I will navigate you through the process of the configuration, installation of this app, and you will be able to see how it works, what kind of additional benefits it gives you, and what is most important, this application is fully free, provided by Microsoft community. You can start use it immediately. It's really worth to try it. Let's move to my screen. On GitHub you are able to download free application that manage Microsoft Teams Champions program. Application is totally free, provided by the Microsoft community. You can download it, install it on your environment and use it in your organization. You will find on GitHub the license of the product, which allows you to use it as it is. So, there's no support, there's no help desk that will help you in case of challenges on your specific environment, but at the same time you can use it as you want. You don't have to pay for that, and what is most important is totally free working solution that could help you to manage Champions program in your organization dedicated for Microsoft Teams. You can download the application by clicking on the code and choosing just download the zip application. So that's it, that's everything you need to do. In the next step, I will navigate you how to install downloaded application on your Office 365 tenant and execute Microsoft Teams Champions program in your Office 365. In the next step, you can install the application. Installation will take place on SharePoint. There will be dedicated site collection created behind that will store all data used in the application, like configuration of the profile, setup of the app, all events that will be registered, everything will be stored there. But to get there, we have to install the application itself. The documentation stored on the GitHub could be a little scary, but still, this is quite easy to install that application. You need to just add the app to SharePoint and then set up 2 steps. So let's do that. Go to more features on the SharePoint Admin Center, then go to the apps. Don't be surprised, you will see very old, very classic interface of SharePoint sites. It could be a little scary, but till now it's not yet modernized part of Office 365 SharePoint Online. Go to App Catalog. In the App Catalog you will have the chance to add the new application in here to install it on SharePoint. So go to App for SharePoint and you can see already we have Microsoft Learning Pathways. You will find the link about this application in the other videos stored on the channel, but right now we will upload the application downloaded from GitHub on our PC. When you will go to the Microsoft Teams Champions app, go to SharePoint, Solution and choose the app itself and upload it to the App Catalog. When you will upload the application, remember to select make this solution available to all sites in the organization. This is quite important, and then decide to deploy it. After the application will be deployed, we will need to do 2 additional steps. First will be to set up the API communication, but again, don't be worried about that, this is very easy. We will need to go back to the SharePoint Admin Center and do additional step there. When you will go back to the SharePoint Admin Center, go to Advanced Settings and API Access. In this section you will see that there are 3 pending requests connected with the API communication that needs to be approved. Select each of them and approve it. As soon as you will approve it, then you can publish the application directly to Microsoft Teams. So we will get back to the App Catalog in the classic SharePoint view. When you will go back to this classic app catalog and select the application, you will be able to sync this application to Teams. This will allow you to publish that application to Microsoft Teams. Let's do that. You can see that this interface could be a little tricky, no communication going back to you. After this application will be published on Teams, you will need to do one more setup on the SharePoint side and you are good to go to start working on that. To make the application work, you will need to create the new team. It could be Champions team, and when you will create it, you will be able to add the new Champions app directly there. For some reason, you can get the problems to add it before creating the new team, so don't be surprised to find any problems when you try to add the application to already existing added team in Teams. So to add the application, just add the new tab, search for Champions, and add the application. This will add additional tab on your Teams with the Champions app connected to the SharePoint site created in the background. In a few moments you will receive all new features based on the structure created behind the application on the SharePoint site, which you can also manage, and we will need to get there first to add additional access rights for the end users. So go to SharePoint and search for Champion Management Platform. This site is the SharePoint data structure behind your Champions app dedicated for Teams, and you also need to provide your users access here to make it work. To do that, use Share, choose everyone except external users, and allow edit permissions to make it work, and also untick send email. Now all people in the organization will be able to register here, add the settings. You will also see in the site content there is some lists created behind it where the data will be structured. So if you would like to get in details, you can get in here and check exactly what kind of records are created behind it. You can also manage it directly from the SharePoint level. After all these steps, the application will be ready to be used. When you will get there, you will see the dashboard with few additional elements. You will see the champions leaderboard. The dashboard will show all champions with the ranking based on the events you can register here. You can invite all people to do that. This is some kind of gamification feature that also promote additional activities, sharing the knowledge about the teams. Very nice feature, very nice looking functionality. You can manage the members directly from this level. You are also able to add digital badge for your picture, so add additional champions badge for your picture shown on SharePoint. So something very basic but promoting champions around the organization. Highly recommend to try it. And you can manage the champions group, you can manage the events list. You will be navigated directly using these links to the SharePoint site and the structure which were created behind it. You can see this is not extremely complex application, but something very simple you can start with, giving you some kind of speed up on the initial stage to promote the Champions program for Microsoft Teams, to promote the members, and also to promote some kind of additional events and activities across the Champions community. I highly recommend to install this application, especially when you roll out Microsoft 365 in your company. This is maybe not super complex Champions program, but this is really good starting point that will help you to engage the business champions across the organization, to promote additional activities and also to promote these people. And in the end, this will help you to make Microsoft Teams probably used more often across the company. You can see that this is not the rocket science to install it. It's really worth to try this application. Play with it. If you're looking for additional adoption tools, you will find other video materials on my channel that will help you to build more stronger engagement on your business users across Office 365 applications. All shared applications are free, so this is more than easy to use them. I highly recommend to try it. For now, thank you very much for watching. and see you in next episode.